Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. FETCH.AI has turned around to the upside today, or at least we've seen a reaction to the 50% retracement level that we talked about in the last video here, pretty much at this $1.06 level. So nice reaction, but obviously not enough yet to say that really wave 5 has started. The problem is wave 4 is a little bit too deep to be reliable. Yes, there was no sustained break below the 50% retracement, but it's not great if it's quite a deep wave 4, yeah? Valid, but a bit too deep to be reliable. So it's worth to be skeptical about it. Anyway, we did say before that we can't really confirm anyway that a substantial low has formed here on the 5th of August until we see these 5 waves. So from an analysis point of view, we need to see 5 waves up. Ideally, as I always say, sort of like 1 to 2 Fibonacci levels higher than the third wave. So the third wave topped around the 1.786 extension, even a little bit higher than that. So I'd actually prefer if the 5th wave reaches $1.73 or higher. That's the 2.382 extension. Then we have a healthy 5th wave. It would be quite a long wave 5 though, because the wave 4 is so deep. Can you see that? So maybe because of that, we might only get to 153, but it is only, but that would not be a very strong 5th wave then. So for a healthy wave 5, I prefer, at least 153, but better would be $1.73. So that's not a guarantee we get there. As I said, we have to be skeptical about it because the 4th wave is quite deep. Still though, a valid interpretation at the moment. Yeah, you could also say that we just retested that trend line from above. Didn't quite touch it, but that was probably because the fib level was in the way. Once we get these 5 waves up, well, if we get the 5 waves, we can add a support zone for a 3-wave corrective pullback to the chart. It would then be wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, and then we can add the next support zone to the chart. For now, seems like the market tries to run higher. As long as we can hold above the intraday low, which formed here at $1.05, just a little bit higher than that, we can follow this white structure and just need to see if a 5-wave move up is formed or is forming. If we don't get 5 waves up, then we have to be very clear about the risk and FET's potential for another low. And that could take the price to the 52-cent level, which is here the 61.8 retracement of the larger rally, this larger ABC structure, where the 3rd wave topped in March at around $3.50. And that gives you all the parameters actually at the moment to watch here. Below 52 cents, the golden ratio level, the larger bullish thesis will be seriously questioned. I mean, if we zoom out a little bit, my view is that we get maybe one more high in this bull market, but only as long as we're holding 52 cents. So this is a clear pivot where the price needs to show an upside reaction. It literally cannot handle more than one more low, because below 52 cents, it's too deep for a wave 4 on the larger cycle, right? But yeah, as I said, you know, the bull market, we might get one more high. That would be ideal. I would prefer that. From that B wave low that formed in November 22, we've seen a wave 1, we've seen a wave 2, we've seen a wave 3, quite substantial rallies from the 5-cent region to around about $3.50. So most of the rally will likely be done. Then a strong pullback, and now we might get another high to 485 or even 871. But we'll see. I mean, 871 is, it might get there, but let's first see if we can hold support, right? So we always have to take it level by level with these altcoins. First of all, the question is, can we actually hold above 52 cents? And then the next question is, can we form a 5-wave move up from the recent low? That would involve, first of all, a rally to $1.73, ideally. So let's first see if we do that. If we get these 5 waves, the focus needs to be on the next pullback. Can we hold a higher low then? If yes, then we can watch for the next rally. For now, everything else is just a potential, and important is to understand that the bulls need to turn up really before the 52-cent level breaks. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.